Hello and welcome back. Today's video is a Christmas project on how to make your own Elf's Arrival crate, similar to mine here. I will show you the methods I used to create it. This video is done in Affinity Designer instead of Adobe, just to demonstrate it can be done in any program. Let's start. First we need a box. The quickest and easiest way is to use a box making site. This one is called MakerCase. Enter your chosen size. I did mine 90mm. This is so it can all fits nicely on one piece of wood. On the download page you can enter kerf adjustments for your laser. I don't do this here, as I have it set up in Lightburn. I won't download it as I already have it open in Affinity Designer. Now I place a picture of a wooden crate onto the canvas. Any side image will work. I just got mine off an internet search. Place it and size it to match the inside of your box. I also moved mine in the Layers panel to the bottom and locked it. This saves accidentally clicking onto it. If it places the image in the same group as the box, you can put it on its own layer. This is done by dragging it to the side like shown. This isn't important, I just like it tidy. Once in place, select the pen tool, either from the panel or keyboard shortcut by pressing P. Hold Shift to keep the lines straight. You can't see the lines in Affinity like you can in Illustrator, so it's a little harder. You still need to press Escape though once your line is drawn. This is to end it. Make sure you do them all. I missed one and didn't notice till much later. Once you have the lines, get the ellipse tool to make your circles. Hold Shift while clicking if you want a perfect circle. Make sure you have a stroke no fill. Draw all the circles. You can Alt-click and drag to copy and paste quickly. Select everything apart from the box side. Change the color to whatever you wish. I chose green, as this is my score color in Lightburn I have set up. Select it all, now copy and paste it. This side and the front of the box is the only adjustments we will need to make to these lines now. Align the grouped part to the box. Then, double-click to lengthen the lines, drag them out so that they fit the box. Now select our first one, then Alt-click to copy it over to the next box panel. See how this one fits. Select the panel and lines, then center them. Do this for the other two panels. Now make another copy, then adjust it to fit. Now we are going to design the front of the box. First select the rectangle tool and draw out the shape. Make sure it has a fill, not stroke like mine. I pressed Shift X, this switches them quickly. Now use the ellipse tool to create some circles, line them up along the side and size them to nicely fit on the edge, then copy them to the other side. Remember, you can Alt-click to copy quickly. Once everything is done and in place, select it all, then at the top choose the Subtract option. Now make it a stroke again by holding Shift and pressing X. Drag it out to the size you want. Next, select the line design along with our new shape. We are going to then use the Shape Builder tool, which is found in the Extra options on the left side panel. If you have been watching my videos, you will notice this works a little different from Illustrator's Shape Builder tool. You will need to select an option at the top, either Add or Subtract. In our case, we want Subtract. Hover over the inside lines to remove them. Watch out for any bits that have overlapped, as these will be separate lines. Let's add some text to the design. You can put whatever you wish. I kept it simple for the video. Add 2 little squares if you want. I used these for ticks. I then aligned everything to make it look neater. Put in that it is from Santa, and add some detail bits if you want to jazz it up, like I did with mine. Make any more adjustments you feel you need, then select just the text. This is so we can convert it so Lightburn will see it as shapes. From the top menu, select Layer, then Convert to Curves. I then quickly made some ticks, but I will add them to a file with Santa if you want to use them instead. If you make your own, be sure to expand them as I did in the video. I then added my Santa design I made for my box. I will leave a link to the free download with it in the description. It will also have the tick marks. Place it where you want it and we are finished. I will show you this in Lightburn. To get it there, you need to export the design, make sure it is an SVG. Then open in it Lightburn. For some reason either Lightburn or Affinity added a box round Santa which made him look strange. I sorted this by simply ungrouping Santa and deleting the box line. I then regrouped him and set it to fill. All fixed. Thanks for watching. I hoped you enjoyed and learnt some useful bits.